Hello guys. So hindi ko na talaga matiis, kasi hindi ko na matiis yung kabagalan ng laptop ko kasi kakaiba na yung mga pinagagawa ko dito and mas advanced na kasi yung mga pinagagawa ko. Kaya naman kanina nagbo-browse-browse ako. Nagbo-browse-browse ako sa Abenson and may nakita akong free, free. May nakita akong may freebie na laptop and parang gusto ko siyang bilhin. Siyempre ano, as investment na rin, may ROI tayo diyan. Kailangan may ROI lagi lahat ng mga pinaggagawa natin. So, balak ko siyang bilhin para naman meron tayong investment sa mga sinusweldo natin. Kasi nga 'di ba, wala na tayong work, 'di ba? Pero may mga naipon tayo and may darating pa tayong pera. Kaya naman 'yan, binabalak ko talaga na actually gustong-gusto ko talaga na bumili na. Although medyo 4050 lang kasi yung ano niya, graphics, pero I think it's fine. Meron siyang kasamang freebie na electric fan, tsaka printer. Sa printer, papagamit ko 'yun kila mama para sa business. Kailangan lang mag-ROI dun, para hindi masayang yung mga pinagbibili natin. Tapos, oo, lahat talaga dapat may ROI. Tapos guys, ano pa, yun, I think okay lang naman yung 4050 na graphics. Then, instead na mapunta yung additional na bayad, kasi medyo mas pricey kasi yung next yung 5050 version, which is around 75K kapag installment, medyo pricey siya. So, ayaw naman natin yun. Although may same freebie din naman, pero nag-consult na rin ako kay chat. Sabi niya is mas okay if ilaan ko lang yung pera sa pag-upgrade ng RAM dito sa 4050 version, which is fine lang din naman and understandable. So yun, baka mag-order na tayo mamaya. Sige, mag-order na tayo. Siguro kapag mag-o-order na talaga tayo para mas mabilis kasi sobrang bilis ng takbo talaga ng utak ko. Lalo na kapag may mga idea ako. Tapos, yun nga, sa business na yun, may iniisip ako, di ba? So, may iniisip na akong app na gagawin para sa doon, sa printing business. Tapos, this is going to be the first app that I will ship if matapos ko siya. And hopefully matapos ko talaga. And ang ganda nun if ever man na makapag-ship talaga tayo ng product. We're gonna be juggling 3 businesses, potential businesses. But I know that I will be successful because na-foresee ko na ang future. And I know, I just feel it. Alam niyo yung feeling na alam mo lang pero hindi mo ma-explain kasi alam mo talaga. Yun. I know sa mga may same vision na tulad ko, alam ko na na-experience nyo din to and alam nyo rin yung kung ano yung feeling na sinasabi ko. So yan. And, oo, kunin lang natin yung installment kasi 3K difference lang naman. If I'm gonna be paying in cash, it's going to be 60K. 59,999 piso lang, so 60K na. And then the freebie is yun nga, yung nasabi ko, tapos meron pang backpack, meron ding e-gift na 5,000. Laki nun, 5,000. Di ko alam kung saan ko siya magagamit but merong e-gift na 5K. Tapos nun is backpack. Basta meron pa, madami nga, Kaya parang yun nga talaga ang gusto kong bilhin. Tapos naman is kapag installment, 63,000 yung installment price. Then you can pay it on either 3 or 6 or 12 months. So syempre, pipiliin natin yung 12 months para matagal-tagal, around 5,250 yung babayaran per month, which is I think good lang naman. Good talaga. Sobra. Tapos, I think yun lang. Yung printer naman, sinearch ko, cartridge siya. But I think it's fine. refillable naman yung cartridge ng any ink na I think meron yan. Meron yan for sure. And kaya nga tayo gagawa ng app because of the problem that we saw. And we're gonna solve it by creating an app, of course, for us. And then meron akong business structures, I mean layering systems for the potential business structure of that application that I will be creating. For now, secret muna siya. And kailangan ko munang planuhin mabuti in terms of creation. Starting from phase 0 up until ma-ship natin, marketing, etc. So, real battle starts now really. Because I'm free from the chains of the corporate world. And I will never go back. I will never go back to the corporate world. I will create my own empire from scratch. And ang tagal ko na talagang ini-aim talaga na ma-create ang sarili kong empire. Because ayoko talagang may sinusunod. But I'm thankful for all the jobs that I have experienced. Pero grabe, no? Sobrang layo na ng narating natin in just a matter of what? 2 years? 2.5 years. Yeah, after our graduation. Sobrang layo na ng narating natin. As in, sobra. We were earning 6. 6D. In just a matter of 2 years. Actually, in just a matter of 1 year. After 1 year, nakapag-earn na tayo ng 6D. 6 digits. And I'm so grateful to all the opportunities, all the blessings. Sobrang fast talaga, sobrang fast pace. And I'm so thankful din naman sa sarili ko kasi sobrang adaptive and talagang ang dami mong ginagawang paraan just to get out of poverty. So, I'm very thankful to all. I'm very grateful. Especially na narating natin to because of our hard work, skills, etc. And I think na since nabayaran na rin naman natin lahat ng utang ng pamilya, generational debt. So, on my first job, up until sa ngayon na nawala na, is binabayaran ko lahat ng utang ng buong angkan. Joke lang, ng buong pamilya. Just imagine that. Kung ibang tao yun, napakatagal bago pa mabayaran kasi sobrang dami. As hindi naubusan. And ngayon, wala na. And I will give money sa aking family so they can sustain their own. And may business naman na I'll give them money for the business. So basically, I'm gonna give them a business so they can sustain their lives with the money that I will give. I just need guarantee and that ROI in place. So, yun. That's why I'm free. Free from corporate and also free from the chains. But of course, the real battle is just starting. Actually, pati dito sa pagbili ko ng laptop, kino-consider ko yung business potential kung meron ba. Doon nga sa freebie na yun. So, I hope na yung kapatid ko is ilabas niya yung creative side niya to use that printer to good use para pagkakitaan because John, kailangan talaga. Hindi pwedeng ako lang. And ayokong forever mag-work. I don't want to work forever. I don't want to be in corporate world forever. As early as now, I need to escape. And that's what I did. I'm now free and I'm actually in the middle. Kind of around phase. I'm past phase 0. So I'm right between phase 1 and phase 2, actually. And let's see what will happen. I know that I'll be successful with these projects that I'm making. And guys, just wait for the empire that I'm building. And to my future self, I know that you're watching this. And I know that you know that I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna see you there. I know I know you've been struggling a lot, but I'm gonna meet you there at the top. Okay? I'm gonna meet you at the top. I don't know when, but I know that it's gonna be soon. So, to my future self, see you. And yun, bibili tayo ng laptop. Yeah. Also, advance gift na rin natin sa sarili natin. Hindi na ako makakapaghintay ng birthday ko because it just means if 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 ireregalo natin yun sa exact birthday ko, we're just wasting months. And we don't want to waste time because time is the greatest and most expensive currency based sa aking terms. That's why time and energy is very, very important. And I can't just give my time to other people, especially to the capitalists. No, to the corporate system, because we don't want to live in this rat race forever. We want to live a life free from all the chains of the rats. So, yun guys. Summary, we're gonna buy a laptop. We're also gonna do business. And we're gonna build an empire. And lastly, I'm gonna see myself on top because he is waiting for me. So, goodbye and good night. I'm talking to my agent. I am doing 1, 2, 3 projects. Actually, it's just 2, but the first project is split into 2, so it's kind of 3. The third one, or the fourth one rather, it's still in planning phase. So, good night, everyone. Good night, self. And good night to all of the people of the universe. Good night, universe. See you. And thank you so much for this day. Thank you, universe. Thank you, everyone. Universe, I know that we are in sync. And thank you. You always got my back. And I'm so grateful for that. I enjoyed this day so much because I'm finally free. Bye bye. Thank you.